Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku with 4 stars in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, June the 5th, 2021. We have 3 puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars. I have Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. We will continue with the second Sudoku. It's a 4 stars Sudoku. Okay, and this will be number 2901. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. I've already counted. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then. How about let me see. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Oh, alright. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. Okay. Four missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 and an 8 in the third row, so no 9 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. All right. Then yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a pair 3 and 7. Yeah, wait. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Same for the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only two places for the 3 should be there or there. Together with the 7, we have a pair. One box left in this row. For the number 5, yeah, 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Let me, no, we have a 6 there. So no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Oh, alright. 2, 4, and 5. 2, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Alright. How about these 3 numbers? Wait. 4, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this middle column. Those missing numbers are the 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 7 and 8, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4. Yes, alright. 7 and 8. 1, 1. Oh, we already have a 7 in this big square. So here cannot be a 7. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Then, yeah. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9 in this big square, 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there, 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Alright, 8, 8, 9. 6, 6, 2, 9, 8. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. Yeah. 4, yes. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. Then 8, 8, 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 6 in this first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. Six in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Then 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Okay. 2, 4. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers are 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the last row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing, yes, 2, 2, 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. 2 boxes. The final 2 boxes of this big square. The 9 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, well, let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And for 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more. Alright? But I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.